what is the ultimate goal for an autistic child?
And
When you are giving him therapies, when you are you're teaching him, when you are working with him, what is the goal that is there in your mind? Not from a parent's perspective. Their goal must be different. It may be different. Every parent thinks
Absolutely.
differently.
Absolutely.
But since you are the common factor in each child, autistic child, and each set of parents that come to you, what is the ultimate goal for you for that child?
So when I see a child, I am an occupational therapist. So one has to understand what is occupational therapy all about. So my occupational therapy can be rendered to you also. What is your occupation? I'll be seeing that first. I'll be seeing that, okay, this is a housewife, or this is a tech person, or this is a fieldwork person. So I will see what is your occupation, and I will enable you to do performance in your occupation in the best possible manner within your abilities, of course. So if I see a child, the first occupation of a child who is under 5 years is play. So my child should be able to play well. He should be able to learn from the environment in an absolute way. So first thing first. So when he starts playing with other things, when he starts interacting with other things, when he starts using his body to do meaningful functions, I feel that is my goal at a child who's under 5. Of course, because of those things, he will develop communication, he will develop perceptual and motor skills, and gradually cognitive skills also. Gradually, when I see a child who's growing over 5 years, now the story comes to academics. So I will have to see whether this child who's over 5 years can use his hands to perform his academic functions very well. If I am asking him to write, I should know that he definitely knows how to read first, because I am not going to ask him to write without knowing what he's writing. He should be able to draw, he should be able to imitate things, he should be able to copy something which he has seen, using his memory, using his visualization skills. So once he does that, then when I ask him to copy down or maybe write his own thoughts, he should be able to do that.
Okay.